Hope. Hope is priceless. It constantly empowers us with faith and courage to live a happy life. We understand how important your hope is, especially when you and your loved ones are suffering for health. Therefore, we not only promise, but create hope through our dedication and passion in the pharmaceutical industry. Ahn Pharma Private Limited has been involved in manufacturing of tablets, capsules, liquid orals and external preparations since 1994. And Ahn Life Science Private Limited is a step forward by the promoters to practice more advanced step in pharmaceutical manufacturing in terms of technology and economy to offer advanced products. Pharmaceutical innovation is much more than a necessity. It is a responsibility to bring to life novel therapeutic solutions for better patient care, and that too in a cost-effective way. And our state-of-the-art research and development facilities stand a testimony to this. Located in Gujarat, a state that is known as pharmaceutical manufacturing hub, our plant is spread over 6,500 square yards of area and very well equipped with the latest technology, which requires minimal human intervention along with sophisticated instruments to test the quality and stability of various drugs. With a vision to achieve highest precision, uncompromising productivity and customer orientation with convergence of latest technology, proactive team empowered with relevant know-how and best of the services, Ahn Life Science Private Limited, equipped with the top-of-the-line equipment from the most reliable names in the sector, with latest state-of-the-art technology as well as infrastructure complied with WHO GMP, PICS GMP standards. This plant is managed by more than 90 employees and is running with an installed capacity of 25 lakh tablets, 5 lakh capsules and 40,000 dry powder bottles in single shifts. Ahn Life Science Private Limited is dedicated beta-lactam and cephalosporin unit, having a product portfolio of tablets, capsule and dry syrups spread across therapeutics categories. Some products that we take pride in developing are amoxicillin with potassium clavulinate, beta-lactam and other cephalosporins, which cater to export market in various countries and domestic markets as well. All our offerings are crafted with utmost experience and latest A+ standard category machinery from Shimadzu, Universal, Karnavati, Helios, SSPM with latest technology and untouched plant that has an inbuilt formulation and development facility. In its approach to business, Ahn Life Science integrates a robust and sustainable safety system in line with the founder's vision and purpose, and as endorsed by experts in this business. The firm over the years has achieved new heights within the pharmaceutical value chain with our constant offerings pan-India. Our vision and consistent quality operations gave us these heights, and serving the society, discovering cures, making a world healthier is our noble duty, and not just a part of our business. With our vision of raising healthcare, we welcome you and request you to be the part of our Ahn family. Ahn Life Science Private Limited, raising healthcare.